Thank you for buying this acrylic display with a nice wood base and mirrored bottom from Fixture Displays. The part number is 15142 plus 19383 and comes in a nice box with a good solid corner protection. In addition, come with a ring to stabilize your spherical objects. Dimensions, the critical portion is the platform, the mirror is 9 inches 15/16 by the same dimension, 9 inches 15/16, or a little shy of 10 inches. It comes with a prefabricated lid and with fine workmanship, beautiful glue lines. There's no assembly required. Unlike some of the cheaper products require you to assemble 5 flimsy pieces to form a lid, this is prefabricated and really a nice masterpiece to display your balls or other collectible items. I'm going to demonstrate a couple items real quick. A soccer ball, and it looks like this. So it's pretty decent fit. Anything less than 10 inches or 9, 15/16 would go in nicely here. Okay, I'm going to switch this out to a basketball. Yeah, let's see how that looks. This is just beautiful and perfect. If you have any questions, email us, cs, that's Charlie Sam at fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. I'm going to flip this, give you a final view of the bottom side of this base. And certainly you could put in little felt pads if you so desire, but this is fairly smooth, it wouldn't hurt anything. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.